What up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. I'm up here at the Hazel Green Wing Fest. They got a big wings fest going on. You get to vote on the best wings, and they got a car show going on at the same time. So let's get to the car show. Do it for the vlog. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, sorry about that. We had to fix a few things up here. Here's a little Blake Young for you.
I like all of them, but I don't know. What's up again, brother? You doing all right, man? Hey, man, brother. James, tell us a little bit about your ride here.
I got a 383 stroker, fuel injected, Ford 9-inch, TKL 600, 5-speed. I mean, it's nothing really that special. It's just.
But it looks good.
I still got a lot of stuff to do. It's not even close to finished.
Hey, but it looks good, brother. Good job on it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so we're up here at the Hazel Green Wing Fling, and I run into my boy Joe and his wife Tabitha. Guys, we're up here. Got to vote for these people. Have a good one. Number 10. So Intrepid got Judge's Choice, and here they all are.
Intrepid!
That's right, that's right, that's right. Come on, Jill. Intrepid, Judge's Choice. Shannon. There you go. All right, there we go. Where's Nick at? Nick. Judge's Choice, baby. All right, guys, People's Choice and Judge's Choice, number 1, baby. Go Intrepid! Up here to the stage. All right, guys, until next video.
Dum